Linking a new bank account to Mercury is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your new account. Step 1. Log into your Mercury account. Access your Mercury account by visiting the Mercury website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the banking section. Once logged in, locate the banking or accounts section on your dashboard. This is where you can manage your linked accounts and initiate the linking process. Step 3. Select Link New Bank Account. In the banking section, look for an option that says Link New Bank Account or similar. Click on this option to begin the process of adding your new bank account. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. You will be prompted to enter the details of your new bank account, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double check this information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank account details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may need to verify the link through a small test deposit or by following additional prompts from Mercury. Once you have completed these steps, your new bank account should be successfully linked to your Mercury account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Mercury's customer support for assistance.